The Earth's climate is a delicate balance, a complex interplay of many factors. One crucial player in this intricate system is a powerful ocean current called the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC. This vast underwater conveyor belt carries warm water from the tropics northward towards the Arctic and sends colder water back south. This continuous circulation of water plays a vital role in regulating global temperatures. It helps distribute heat around the planet, keeping regions like Western Europe relatively mild, even during winter. The AMOC's influence extends far beyond temperature regulation. It also impacts weather patterns, rainfall distribution, and even the health of marine ecosystems. Scientists have observed a worrying trend in recent decades. The AMOC is weakening. This slowdown has raised concerns about its potential impact on the global climate, particularly the possibility of a new ice age. While it may seem counterintuitive, the AMOC's weakening could lead to a dramatic drop in temperatures in some regions. As the current slows down, less heat is transported northward. This disruption could trigger a cascade of effects, including colder temperatures in Europe, more extreme weather events, and significant changes in ocean currents. The consequences of a significantly weakened AMOC could be devastating, potentially pushing us towards a colder, more unpredictable climate. The potential impacts of a disrupted AMOC are far-reaching and deeply concerning. Billions of people rely on the AMOC's regulated climate for agriculture, water resources, and overall well-being. A significant weakening of this vital current could have catastrophic consequences for human societies. Imagine a world with more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and floods. Coastal regions could face rising sea levels, displacing millions. Changes in ocean currents could disrupt marine ecosystems, impacting fisheries and food security for countless people. Section 4, the CO2 connection, our emissions, our responsibility. The alarming trend of AMOC weakening is linked to human activities, particularly our relentless release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As we burn fossil fuels for energy, we pump massive amounts of CO2 into the air. This excess CO2 traps heat, leading to global warming, but the impact of CO2 on the AMOC is more nuanced than simply warming the planet. The influx of fresh water from melting glaciers and increased rainfall due to climate change disrupts the delicate balance of salinity and temperature that drives the AMOC. This disruption further weakens the current, exacerbating the risk of a shutdown. Section 5. A race against time. The urgent need for CO2 neutrality. The scientific evidence is clear. The AMOC is weakening, and human-induced climate change is a major driver of this alarming trend. The potential consequences of a disrupted AMOC are too dire to ignore. We must act urgently to curb CO2 emissions and mitigate the risks of triggering a catastrophic climate shift. Achieving CO2 neutrality, where we remove as much CO2 from the atmosphere as we emit, is no longer an option but an imperative. We must transition to cleaner, renewable energy sources, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and adopt sustainable practices in all aspects of our lives. The future of our planet and the well-being of generations to come depends on the choices we make today. Let us act with the urgency and determination this crisis demands, working together to create a sustainable and equitable future for all.